Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we are introducing our Eco-Lucent LED lighting system Hardwire installation kit. Our Eco-Lucent LED lighting system Hardwire installation kit includes all the components to get your Eco-Lucent LED white Hardwire light bars up and glowing. The Eco-Lucent light system transformer is designed to operate up to 30 different 6-inch strips, making it suitable for a full room lighting solution. Also included in the installation kit are wire nuts and 12 feet of wiring for attaching your light to the transformer. This installation kit is specifically designed to be used with our Eco-Lucent LED white Hardwire light bars and may not be compatible with other lighting systems. Add a compatible dimmer to provide variability in light intensity. Installation is easy, so decorate your space with form and function. Thanks for watching. For more product information and made in the USA innovations from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out federalbrace.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.